These animals have superpowers. Number 1, woodpecker. Woodpeckers strike wood 20 times a second, and each time their head has to withstand 1,400 G-force. For comparison, a human can be knocked unconscious by just 10 G-force. And also, their tongue is 4 times longer than their beak, which they wrap around the back of their skull. Number 2, owls. You might think that an owl's superpower is their night vision eyes, but actually they use their ears the most for hunting. Owls have ears that are more sensitive than dogs, who can hear a mouse running underground from 20 miles away. But they have a problem. With so many sensors, big eyes, ears, and brains in their heads, they can't sleep standing on their feet, and